Hey, I thought I'd record a quick follow-up to my last video. I'm trying the pad that came with this, and it actually works much better than the one that I had. Now that I've got the springs holding it up, it actually covers well, and over on the sides where it seemed like it was too long, it actually just comes down right fine and works really well. So I'm gonna try using just this pad. Actually, it's thinner, which was part of the problem before, is because it was so thin, I had to tighten this way up and it had to pull it way back, and that caused it to be too close and too uncomfortable. But now with these springs, holding this more up and kind of floating on top of my head instead of right on the front, I can have this a little looser, and that pad that came with it is on top, so I don't feel like it's going to slide down like it was sliding down before. So I think the pad itself, so the only real change at this point from the original product from the manufacturer is I have the duct tape to hold them on tight and have them pushed all the way forward, and then I have these two springs that clip on the front and then all the way back down here, and that keeps it this way instead of letting it come forward and slide down the front. And it feels like that's going to work really well. So we'll give this a try and see how it goes.